Did you know Oman has an island with crystal clear beaches, silence, and zero crowds? If you're looking for a peaceful getaway in Oman, Masirah Island is a hidden gem. In this vlog, I'll show you how to travel from Muscat to Masirah Island, including road journey, ferry details, and important tips. Our journey starts from Muscat to Shannah Port, a 4 to 5 hour drive through scenic desert roads before taking the ferry to Masirah Island. Make sure your fuel tank is full, because petrol stations become limited as you get closer to Shannah. It's important to take short breaks during the drive and carry snacks, water, and cash, especially if you're traveling with family. To reach Masirah Island, you first need to come to Shannah Port, where you will board the ferry. It's highly recommended to start your journey early in the morning. As you drive, the scenery gradually changes from city roads to open desert highways, giving you a real sense of Oman's natural beauty. After driving for 5 hours, we finally reached Shannah Port, the ferry point for Masirah Island. We took the official national ferry company ferry to Masirah Island. I highly recommend this ferry because it's comfortable and reliable. After getting my ferry ticket at Shannah Port, I found a small cafe and restaurant nearby, where I had my lunch. You can buy ferry tickets to Masirah Island online in advance, which is very convenient and ensures your spot, especially on busy days. At port, there are washrooms and a sitting area too, which is very convenient for passengers while waiting for the ferry. The ferry has arrived at Shannah Port, and boarding has started. Cars are being guided onto the ferry one by one, with staff helping and directing everything properly. The whole process is smooth and well managed. Once on board, passengers can either stay in their cars or sit in the seating area. Now everything is ready, and we're about to begin our sea journey to Masirah Island. The ferry ride takes about 1 to 1.5 hours. During the journey you can enjoy the fresh sea breeze and beautiful ocean views, which makes the ride very relaxing. The ferry operates several times a day, usually around 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., and 5 p.m., but it's always best to check the schedule in advance as timings can change. We have finally arrived at Masirah Island. As soon as we stepped off the ferry, the calm and peaceful atmosphere was immediately noticeable. The air feels fresh, the roads are quiet, and everything feels far away from city life. I'm really excited to explore more of the island, and in the next part of the vlog, I'll show you the beaches, hotels, and other beautiful spots here. This brings us to the end of today's vlog. I hope you found this journey from Muscat to Masirah Island helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.